Edta Pus Lek Baslama.
Well, now I would like to talk to you about Christian musicology in India. For the last 20 years, I was involved in that project. What is Christian musicology? Recently, Oxford University Press asked me to contribute a chapter to the forthcoming The Oxford Handbook of Music and World Christianities. They selected 33 authors from around the world, and I was lucky. I was asked to give a paper. Of course, I want to write about Christian music in India. Thank you. Thank you. So, the story that I created was the survival story of Syriac chants among the St. Thomas Christians in South India. And the sample that I took for analytical and historical study is Edta Pus Lek Baslama, Asel Nali, Wamorai Sandikusa, Salau Allah. This is the chant that we sing at the funeral of priests. Edta Pus Lek Baslama. Sandikusa Salawala. It's a fascinating drama. Unfortunately, our Malayalam translation, with all due respect to our religion, doesn't do, and lyrical system, it doesn't do justice. So what I did was comparing the transmission of the text and the transmission of the melody. So what happened when the text was translated into Malayalam and what happened to the melody? What was the priority of the translator? So the song has 8 stanzas, the Syriac song has 8 stanzas, and it's a beautiful drama. I wish your literature teacher or someone, I wish you take a 10 paper on this particular song. ശവശരീരയുടെ കിടക്കോ അച്ഛൻ മരിച്ച അച്ഛൻ ജനങ്ങളോട് പറയുന്നു, O church, remain in Shanthi. I am going. And thy dwellers in righteousness, pray for me. Salam Allah. And then he bids farewell to my dear brothers and friends, celebrate my remembrance because I have departed from you, and forever pray for me. I am going and I am not afraid. My Lord is calling me. He is placing the crown of glory on me and is gladdening me. The 4th stanza. The voice changes, the narrative voice changes. The people are telling the deceased priest, May the angel who came and took thee to Eden lead thee. We shall offer thee as an oblation to thy Lord. Go in Shanthi. The word oblation. What would be the Syriac word for the oblation? Qurbana. The moment I learned this text when Father Carlyle sent me the translation of this text, I had goosebumps. I never heard the word Qurbana used in that context. The community, the people who are priests, in fact, we received the priesthood in baptism, they are telling the deceased priest, go in peace. We are going to offer you as a Qurbana. Malaga detal da brag, la de navlag, u Qurbana de marak in the Qurbana, Syro Baslama. What a drama. And then the priest, the deceased priest, continues the story. What a treasure of text and melody.
ആസേൽ ഞാലി Wamore kibesandi kusa Sallahu ala Uhavrei hambiwa